Hello everyone, my name is Nashay, and the agency where I will be completing my field is a nonprofit community umbrella agency. I will basically be working with children and families who are basically in DHS's care. I will work with the family to help them with the resources that they need in order to get their children back. What I expect from field, I expect to gain the experience that I need and understand the basics of what it's like to work in the field of social work, because I don't have much experience in the field of social work. In fact, I actually don't have any experience at all. Everything I've done was basically direct care support. So I do expect to learn and understand more about the field of social work. What has me most excited is being able to use the tools that I'm learning and be more hands-on. What I'm concerned about, the biggest concern for me is work-life balance. Trying to juggle a full-time job and an internship, I don't know. But my plan is to take it one day at a time and to actually plan out my weeks and rely heavily on a planner and a calendar, and to really take advantage of self-care, so I don't become exhausted and a mess. So that's just the biggest thing for me. Thank you guys for listening. Thank you guys for watching. And I look forward to watching the rest of everyone else's videos. And I hope you all have a great night.